Hi everyone, Harris here with iDownload Blog, and today we're taking a look at how you can add Apple Music support to your Amazon Echo and Alexa compatible devices. Now currently this doesn't work with everything. As far as I know, Sonos is not supported, but if you have an Amazon Alexa device from Amazon, it should work. And this is a nice new feature for Apple Music users. Now to do this, it's very simple. You go into the Amazon Alexa app, you go into skills and games, and you search for Apple Music. It might show up front and center like it did for me, and once you have that, you just click enable. And once you do that, it will add the skill to your devices. And it's as simple as that. It will have you sign into your Apple ID, that way it can link it, but once you have that, you're good to go. Now, the only caveat here is that in order to play this music, it needs to be through the app itself or through speaking to your speaker. Play AJR on Apple Music on Harris Spot, which is pretty standard, but you can't control it from Apple Music on your phone or on the desktop iTunes player. It has to be through Amazon services. Not a huge deal, but one thing to know. And additionally, this does not have the multi-device capabilities that Amazon's own music streaming service has, which a representative at Amazon has confirmed is not a feature. You cannot play on multiple devices. For instance, if you have a group of Alexa devices, you cannot play Apple Music through all of those. It may start, but it eventually will glitch out. It could be coming in the future, but as of right now, it does not appear that that is a supported feature. But this is very nice to have now. If you're an Apple Music user, you can use it with your Alexa devices. Now, outside of the fact that you can't play on multiple devices or in a group, there's also a couple other finicky aspects of this, such as trying to shuffle play a playlist on Apple Music. And some other small things. So this definitely isn't perfect. Again, doesn't work with Sonos at this time, doesn't work in groups. Shuffle playlist sometimes works and sometimes doesn't. If you have any questions, feel free to leave those down in the comment section below. But thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing.